What if a 1953 farm truck could outshine six-figure supercars? Meet the $139,900 Chevrolet 3100 Restomod that's rewriting automotive history. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel and get ready, because today we're looking at a machine that perfectly blends vintage American heritage with modern muscle car attitude. This is the incredible 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window Pickup Restomod, a stunning custom-built masterpiece that proves classic trucks can be every bit as exciting as exotic supercars. The moment this truck comes into view, it commands attention. Finished in an eye-catching turquoise exterior paint, this Chevrolet captures the spirit of the 1950s while delivering a premium show-quality presence that stops people in their tracks. Whether it's sitting under the lights at a major automotive event or cruising down the highway, this truck demands respect from every angle. Back in 1953, the Chevrolet 3100 was designed as a hard-working pickup built to tackle America's toughest jobs. Farmers relied on them, small businesses depended on them, families trusted them. But decades later, this legendary truck has been transformed into something far beyond its original purpose. This isn't just a restoration. This is a full-blown Restomod that combines classic styling with upgraded performance, improved comfort, and modern reliability. The iconic 5-window cab design is one of the most desirable features of this truck. Those additional corner windows behind the doors create a unique appearance that instantly separates it from standard pickups of the era. Collectors love the design, enthusiasts seek them out, and spectators can't stop staring. Moving around the truck, you'll notice the incredible craftsmanship throughout the body. The metal front fenders, metal rear fenders, and metal running boards maintain the authentic Chevrolet character while showcasing the attention to detail invested in this build. The chrome front bumper gleams brilliantly against the turquoise paint. The chrome rear bumper adds balance and elegance. Every body line flows perfectly from front to rear, creating a timeless design that remains beautiful more than 70 years after it first debuted. Then there's the gorgeous wood-lined bed. This feature alone elevates the truck into show car territory. The warm wood finish contrasts beautifully with the vibrant exterior paint and gives the rear of the truck a handcrafted luxury feel that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. But while the exterior celebrates classic design, the real excitement begins under the hood. Lift that hood and you'll discover a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch small block V8. For many enthusiasts, the Chevrolet 350 is one of the greatest engines ever built. It's reliable, powerful, easy to maintain, and capable of delivering the kind of performance that transforms an old truck into a genuine driver's machine. This V8 has been enhanced with an Edelbrock Four Barrel Carburetor, helping deliver improved airflow and stronger performance throughout the RPM range. An aluminum intake manifold contributes to better efficiency while reducing weight. The aluminum cylinder heads further improve breathing and performance, allowing this engine to unleash its full potential. Jet-coated headers maximize exhaust flow while adding durability and a clean custom appearance. The result is a powerful V8 soundtrack that perfectly matches the aggressive personality of this Restomod. Turn the key and the engine fires to life with a deep rumble that immediately sends chills down your spine. Every press of the throttle produces a satisfying growl from the dual exhaust system, reminding you that this classic truck possesses serious muscle beneath its vintage skin. Sending power to the rear wheels is a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Among automotive enthusiasts, the Turbo Hydromatic 400 is legendary for its strength and durability. It's a transmission trusted in everything from muscle cars to high-performance street machines. Combined with the factory-style rear end and a comfortable 3.00 0-to-1 gear ratio. This drivetrain setup provides smooth acceleration and relaxed cruising capability. This truck isn't just built to look incredible. It's built to be driven. One of the biggest advantages of a professionally built Restomod is modern drivability, and this Chevrolet delivers exactly that. Power steering transforms the driving experience, making low-speed maneuvering easy and enjoyable. Power brakes provide confident stopping capability. Front disc brakes dramatically improve braking performance compared to the original drum setup. A front sway bar enhances stability and handling, helping the truck feel far more composed on modern roads. The upgraded wheel and tire package contributes to both performance and appearance. American racing wheels provide a timeless custom look that perfectly complements the truck's vintage styling. Up front are 215/55 R17 tires. Out back are larger 245/55 R18 tires. The staggered setup creates an aggressive stance while improving traction and road presence. Inside the cab, the transformation continues. The interior is a beautiful combination of classic truck simplicity and modern comfort. Gray vinyl upholstery provides durability while maintaining a clean, elegant appearance. The bench seat preserves the authentic feel of the original truck while offering comfortable seating. Black carpeting adds contrast and refinement throughout the cabin. A new headliner freshens the interior and completes the restoration. Custom door panels introduce an upscale touch while enhancing overall aesthetics. The tilt steering column adds convenience and comfort for drivers of all sizes. Custom gauges provide accurate information while delivering a modern appearance that blends seamlessly with the vintage dashboard. Speaking of the dashboard, the body color match dash is a stunning design feature that ties the entire interior together. A custom stereo and speaker system brings modern entertainment into this classic machine, while the AM radio remains as a nostalgic reminder of the truck's heritage. Beneath the surface, the quality continues. The underside features a beautifully black painted frame that showcases the level of care invested throughout the build. A custom fuel tank supports the upgraded drivetrain while maintaining a clean appearance. The factory battery location preserves authenticity. Every component underneath reflects thoughtful engineering and professional craftsmanship. Then comes the biggest question: is this truck worth its $139,900 asking price? When you consider the extensive restoration, the desirable 5-window configuration, the upgraded V8 powertrain, the premium interior, the show quality paint, and the overall level of craftsmanship, it's easy to understand why this Chevrolet occupies the upper tier of the Restomod market. This isn't simply an old pickup, it's a rolling piece of American automotive history. A truck that honors its past while embracing the performance and comfort expectations of today. A machine capable of winning trophies at shows, attracting crowds at cruise nights, and delivering unforgettable experiences every time it hits the road. The 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window Pickup Restomod represents everything enthusiasts love about classic vehicles. Timeless styling, V8 power, handcrafted details, and undeniable character. And in a world increasingly filled with technology and automation, this turquoise Chevrolet reminds us why we fell in love with automobiles in the first place. It isn't just transportation, it's art, it's history, it's passion on 4 wheels.